Welcome to day 3. Today marks the halfway point of Safety from a Distance Week. We want to focus on highlighting a couple employees who have really stood out over the last year. Some have shown excellence in using technology to enhance safety on the job site. Others have given years of service to this company and deserve a shout out and a genuine thank you for being here. And a select few have been nominated by their coworkers to receive the highest honor of all, Safety Performer of the Year.
Let's start the day off with an award we normally celebrate at the summer party, which obviously we're not having this year. Each year, we like to recognize the employees who have been with us for 5 years. Since we are unable to have any events, we thought we would do it here, in the studio. Thank you for your 5 years of dedication and hard work. Without employees like you and your commitment, we would not be where we are today. Drum roll. This year's Johansson's 5-year employees are Blake Richards, our financial controller, who started with us in the summer of 2015. And Mike Sawyer, heavy equipment operator, who started with us in the spring of 2015.
Congratulations to both of them, and we look forward to celebrating you again in 5 more years. Johansson actually has quite a few 10-year employees this year as well. Congratulations to Josh Clark and Carl Osborne. Jalen, do you want to talk a little bit about what you do to honor our 10-year employees and what they have to look forward to?
I'd love to, Rachel. 10-year trip is something that I don't think anybody else in the industry does. We take a few days to set aside to go spend time with the 10-year employees, get to know them, spend some time fishing. We've ridden dirt bikes across the Baja down in Mexico. We've got a couple employees that we're more than happy to take down and show a good time this year as well.
Something else we want to highlight today is the employees who've taken time out of their weeks in order to volunteer on our company's safety committee.
Earlier this week, Tony went out on the site, talked to a couple members of the committee, and asked them for a few questions.
Hello, everybody. I caught up with Alex Vermont today at the T100 project. He's in his office. I just thought I'd give him a quick question. Hey, Alex, why'd you get involved with the safety committee?
I think safety is important, and it's just another way to get involved with other crew members you may not know and bring up site issues or potential issues and work together to solve problems, and safety is something that you should always work on.
And so what value have you gained from being in the safety committee?
I think a lot of good conversation and pertinent issues that we work with every day and work to solve them together and bring up issues that people may not feel comfortable bringing up in a different setting, and it's a good way to talk about safety.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate it. Hey everybody, I caught up with Chris today, part of our safety committee. Wanted to ask him a quick question. Hey Chris, why'd you get involved with the safety committee?
I'm pretty new to the industry, and I just really wanted to know the rules and everything I got to look out for out in the field.
And so what value have you gained from being in the safety committee?
To be a leader out here, you got to know all the rules on how to do everything right.
Hey Ken, why'd you get involved with the safety committee?
I wanted to advance my knowledge of safety aspects of the project, help other employees stay safe, anything we can do to keep everybody going home every night.
And what value have you gained from being on the committee?
Information, questions that need to be answered for myself, my guys in the field. I can bring those to the committee meetings and we get an answer. If Tony doesn't have an answer, he would get an answer for us.
All right, I really appreciate your time.
You bet.
Thank you to everyone who has volunteered in the past, as well as the current members on the committee. If you're interested in signing up for the safety committee, please contact your foreman, superintendent, or Tony for more information.
Next, on to the main event, this year's safety awards. We're going to start safety awards with the employees who had the most near-miss reports over the year. Near-miss reporting is an effective tool in reducing workplace accidents. Thank you to all the foremen who continue to turn in near-miss reports each week. This year's winner is Dan Matson with 65 reports.
Our next award is Safety Observations. In past years, we've taught at the all-hands safety meeting. We introduced and focused on the safety observation QR codes that are placed around all of our job sites. This year, the employee who submitted the most reports was Kyle Edwards with 15 reports.
The next award is for the most JHAs completed. JHAs are a risk analysis with tasks that employees are performing that day. With the addition of the T100 project, the number of JHAs completed this year is far greater than anything we've had to do previous years. With that said, winner of this award went above and beyond to meet the challenge. The employee who completed the most JHAs this year was Terry Mink with 321 JHAs. Holy smokes,
That's a lot.
that is a ton.
We now want to recognize the employee with the most site safety inspections, a required weekly inspection performed by a foreman. The Johansson winner this year bounced around to many projects, which allowed him to complete 69 inspections in total. This year's winner is Alan Hoffman.
The next award goes to the employee with the most equipment inspections over the last year. These inspections are vital to maintain the operations of our entire fleet. This person showed dedication to making sure all of the equipment on site is ready to be ran safely that day, which is why he is our winner. Congratulations, Terry Mink, with 185 inspections.
Now, a COVID-19 related award. We said it before, but this award is something we never even thought would be a category. As the pandemic grew and new policies were put into place for the construction industry, one of the requirements was to have a COVID-19 site supervisor on every job site. These supervisors have attended bi-weekly Zoom meetings, helped manage temperature checks, reported issues related to check-in logs or potential exposures, as well as completing a weekly site inspection. This award goes to the employee with the most Washington State COVID-19 site inspection. Your site inspection award goes to Alex Vermong with 15 inspections.
All right, Alex. Our final award of the day is Exceptional Safety Performer of the Year. That's a big one. We sent out nomination forms asking supervisors to nominate an employee who has demonstrated safety in exceptional manner in the performance of their job duties with the company. All employees were eligible for this submission. Project managers, executives, and the safety committee placed their final vote on who they thought the winner should be.
The winner supervisor said that, quote, he has made leaps in development, always turning in required paperwork on time and consistently. He has worked on a difficult project and has yet to have a utility strike or an employee injury. One of our project managers said that, quote, I have received several compliments from our clients about his attention to safety, and he deserves the acknowledgement.
Congratulations to this year's winner. Once again, Terry Mink.
We wish we had a whole room of people clapping and celebrating all of our winners. Congratulations to everyone, and thank you again for your hard work. Thanks again for joining us for Day 3 of Safety from a Distance Week. If you remembered to wear your safety shirt today, don't forget to snap a picture of yourself, your crew, or your coworkers, and text or email me your photos.
We'll see you again tomorrow, where we will talk with our guest speaker, Christian. He will share his story with us on how his life has been affected by an on-job injury. Thanks, guys.
Thanks.